Imagine a snake so massive it seems almost prehistoric, a living relic from a time when giants roamed the earth. Its sheer size and presence command attention, evoking both awe and curiosity. Meet the Burmese python, Python vivittatus, a true giant of the reptile world. These snakes can grow to lengths of over 18 feet and weigh more than 200 pounds, making them one of the largest snake species on the planet. With their beautifully patterned, two-tone skin, these snakes are masterpieces of evolution, blending seamlessly into the forest floor. Their intricate markings not only provide camouflage from predators and prey, but also make them one of the most visually striking reptiles in existence. More than just their looks, Burmese pythons play a vital role in their ecosystems, controlling animal populations and maintaining balance. As apex predators, they help regulate the numbers of rodents and other small mammals, ensuring the health of their habitats. Sadly, they're often misunderstood, cast as monsters in movies and stories, when in reality, they're shy creatures that prefer to avoid humans whenever possible. Their reputation is often shaped by fear rather than fact. Their story is one of survival and adaptation, thriving in dense jungles, lush wetlands, and even in new territories far from their original home. Burmese pythons are remarkable for their ability to adjust to changing environments, a testament to their resilience. To truly appreciate them, we must look past the myths and see their resilience and complexity. These snakes are not mindless predators but intelligent animals with unique behaviors and social interactions. Our journey will take us from their native Southeast Asia, where they have lived for centuries, to the unexpected wilds of Florida, where they have established a new home and changed the landscape in surprising ways. This is a tale of adaptation, survival, and the delicate relationship between wildlife and people. As humans expand into wild spaces, our interactions with creatures like the Burmese python become more frequent and complex. Every animal, big or small, has a role on this planet. The Burmese python, despite its size and power, is just one thread in the intricate web of life that sustains our world. By the end, you'll see the Burmese python not as a monster but as a magnificent survivor deserving respect, a creature whose story is as fascinating as it is misunderstood. Let's dive into the world of the Burmese python and discover the secrets of this gentle giant together. Burmese pythons are among the largest snakes on Earth, and their sheer size is nothing short of astonishing. These reptiles have become legendary for their impressive length and weight, making them a true marvel of the animal kingdom. Adult Burmese pythons often reach lengths of 10 to 16 feet, longer than most cars on the road today, and can tip the scales at over 100 pounds. Their bodies are thick and muscular, built for both power and stealth. Some record-breaking individuals have stretched past 18 feet and weighed more than 200 pounds, rivaling the size of some alligators. These giants are rare, but they capture the imagination of scientists and wildlife enthusiasts alike. Their massive size makes them apex predators, able to tackle large prey such as deer, wild pigs, and even alligators. With few natural enemies, they dominate their habitats and can avoid most threats with ease. Being big also helps them retain heat, a crucial advantage for cold-blooded reptiles. Their large bodies absorb and store warmth from the sun, allowing them to remain active even when temperatures drop. From the moment they hatch at nearly 2 feet long, Burmese pythons grow at an incredible rate. Young pythons must quickly outgrow predators like birds and raccoons, so rapid growth is essential for survival in the wild. Their bulk is not just for show, it's a survival strategy honed by millions of years of evolution. Powerful muscles allow them to constrict prey and move silently through dense vegetation. This rapid growth and impressive size are key to their success as hunters and survivors. Their ability to ambush and overpower large animals sets them apart from other snakes. Few creatures challenge a full-grown Burmese python. In their environment, they are the undisputed rulers, rarely threatened by other predators. Their scale and power remind us that nature still holds wild wonders, and that some animals continue to push the limits of what we think is possible. These giants are a testament to the extremes of evolution, showcasing how adaptation and survival can lead to truly remarkable creatures. Their presence in the wild is both awe-inspiring and humbling, reminding us of the incredible diversity and power of life on Earth. Burmese pythons truly push the boundaries of what's possible in nature, standing as living proof of the wonders that still roam our planet. The Burmese python's native home is Southeast Asia, lush jungles, grasslands, and marshes, always near water. In these vibrant landscapes, the python has evolved over millions of years, perfectly adapted to the dense undergrowth and humid climate. Here they are part of a balanced ecosystem, living alongside a variety of other predators and prey, each playing a role in the natural order. They're expert swimmers, thriving in rivers and swamps. Their muscular bodies glide effortlessly through the water, allowing them to hunt both on land and beneath the surface. This aquatic skill gives them access to a wide range of habitats and food sources, making them formidable predators in their native range. But their story took a dramatic turn when they arrived in Florida, thousands of miles from their original home. The journey from Asia to America was not a natural migration, but a result of human actions, an unintended experiment with far-reaching consequences. Popular in the pet trade, many were released by owners unprepared for their massive size. What started as a fascination with exotic pets quickly became a problem as these snakes outgrew their enclosures and became too difficult to manage. Some escaped during hurricanes, while others were deliberately set free. The Florida Everglades, with its warm, wet climate, became a perfect new home. The vast wetlands offered endless hiding places and abundant food, mirroring the conditions of their native habitat in Asia. Here, they found abundant prey and few natural predators, allowing their population to explode. Rabbits, birds, and even alligators became targets for these powerful constrictors, who quickly established themselves at the top of the food chain. As an invasive species, they've devastated native wildlife. Mammals like raccoons and bobcats have declined by over 90% in some areas. The loss of these animals has ripple effects, disrupting food webs and changing the very character of the Everglades. The Everglades ecosystem is now under threat, with pythons disrupting the natural balance. Native birds, reptiles, and even fish are affected as the food chain is thrown into chaos, and the delicate relationships that sustain this unique environment are broken. This tale of two homes is a stark lesson in the consequences of moving species outside their native range. What thrives in one place can become a disaster in another, especially when natural checks and balances are missing. It's a reminder of our responsibility to protect native ecosystems. Every decision we make about wildlife can have lasting impacts, both seen and unseen, on the world around us. The Burmese python's journey from Asia to Florida is a story of both survival and unintended consequences. It shows how easily a species can become invasive when introduced to a new environment, and how difficult it is to reverse the damage once it's done. Their success in Florida highlights the dangers of invasive species. Without natural predators or controls, their numbers have soared, threatening the very existence of native plants and animals. We must learn from this to better safeguard our natural world. Conservationists and scientists are working tirelessly to restore balance, but prevention is always easier than cure. The python story is a powerful call for responsible stewardship. By respecting the boundaries of nature and thinking carefully about our actions, we can help ensure that our ecosystems remain healthy and resilient for generations to come. Burmese pythons are carnivores with a broad appetite. Young pythons eat lizards, rats, and birds, but adults can take down monkeys, deer, and even alligators. In Florida, they prey on native species, further threatening local wildlife. Their hunting style is all about patience. They're ambush predators, blending in and waiting for the perfect moment. When prey approaches, they strike with lightning speed, grabbing it with sharp, backward-curving teeth. They kill by constriction, squeezing until blood flow to the brain stops. Once subdued, they swallow prey whole. Thanks to flexible jaws and elastic ligaments, large meals can take weeks or months to digest, during which they hide and rest. This efficient hunting and digestion strategy makes them formidable predators. Their adaptability in diet is a key reason for their success both in Asia and Florida. Every aspect of their feeding is a marvel of evolution. The Burmese python's menu is as impressive as its size. Their role as top predators shapes entire ecosystems. Burmese pythons are masters of stealth, thriving by staying hidden. Mostly active at night or twilight, they avoid the heat and use darkness for cover. By day, they hide in burrows, logs, or dense vegetation, conserving energy. They're solitary, only coming together to mate, which reduces competition for food and space. Their intricate skin patterns provide exceptional camouflage, making them nearly invisible on the forest floor. This camouflage is vital for both hunting and avoiding predators, especially when young. Semi-aquatic, they're excellent swimmers, using waterways to move undetected. Their elusive nature makes them difficult to study and control. The Burmese python's secretive lifestyle is key to its survival and success. The Burmese python's reproductive cycle is a marvel of nature. Mating occurs in late winter and spring, with females attracting multiple males. After mating, a female lays up to 100 eggs in a hidden spot. She coils around her clutch, generating heat through muscle contractions to keep them warm. This rare parental care increases the chances of survival for her offspring. After 2 to 3 months, hatchlings emerge, miniature pythons, already 2 feet long and ready to fend for themselves. The mother's job ends here, the young disperse and begin their solitary lives. Rapid growth is crucial, as they face many dangers early on. This cycle ensures the survival of the species, even in challenging environments. Each new generation continues the legacy of these remarkable giants. In Florida, Burmese pythons thrive, but in their native Asia, they're in trouble. The IUCN lists them as vulnerable due to habitat loss and overharvesting. Deforestation and urban expansion destroy their homes and reduce prey. They're hunted for their skin, meat, and the pet trade, further depleting wild populations. This creates a paradox: invasive in Florida, endangered in Asia. Their fate depends on where they live, destructive in one place, vital in another. Protecting their native habitats and regulating trade is essential for their survival. The Burmese python story is a reminder of how human actions shape wildlife destinies. Conservation efforts must focus on both protection and responsible management. Burmese pythons can live 15 to 20 years in the wild, and even longer in captivity. Their long lifespan allows females to lay hundreds of eggs over a lifetime, boosting their success as a species. In zoos with regular care, some have lived past 30 years. Survival in the wild depends on avoiding predators, finding food, and escaping human threats. Each day is a test of their instincts and adaptability. Their slow, steady growth and endurance are hallmarks of large reptiles. From hatchling to giant, their journey is a testament to resilience. Understanding their lifespan deepens our appreciation for these remarkable animals. The Burmese python is a creature of power, beauty, and complexity. In Asia, they're vital predators. In Florida, they're a cautionary tale of invasive species. Respecting them means understanding our responsibility for both their protection and the problems they cause. Conserving their native habitats and fighting illegal trade is crucial. In Florida, we must manage their population to protect native wildlife. Stronger regulations and public education can prevent future invasions. The python's story reflects our relationship with nature, challenging us to be better stewards. Whether in jungles or swamps, they deserve our respect and understanding. Let's protect wild places and make responsible choices for all wildlife. The future of the Burmese python, and countless other species, is in our hands. Let's ensure these incredible giants have a place to call home for generations to come.